We had just travelled from beautiful Baku to stunning Sheki, and this is where we'd chosen to stay.
Good morning from the Marxal Spa Hotel. I had a very good sleep last night, and this hotel is pretty impressive, so I'm going to give you a quick tour.
Firstly, it's huge. It has a 5-star rating, everything about it feels luxurious, and there are lots of different spaces to hang out. Let me show you.
You've got this kind of like chill out lounge area where you can have, tea, coffee, a little drink, yeah? Note the detailing. There's lots of fancy chandeliers. Everything's a bit fancy, look. It's nice. And then down here, you've got a kind of bar area. It's quite early in the morning. Normally in the evening, this will be packed. You see, you've got this bar area there, which that goes down to reception. And then out here, let me see if this is open. Look, you've got a kind of outdoor, well, kind of covered seating area. How nice is this? So this is the kind of half outside, and then you've got the outside, and then you've got the views. So look, out there, seating area, and then you can see the views beyond. It's huge, isn't it? Look at this. It goes all the way down. That is just a drop in the ocean for what this place offers. It goes on and on and on. This place is bigger than you could possibly imagine. Look, in here as well. You've also got this lovely bar area, see? So they've got lots of separate areas, as I said. We had a really nice pizza in here the other night. Hello, salam. Just a bell. There you go. Loads of places to sit. Dominoes. Isaac is saying you can play dominoes, or is it backgammon? They've got loads of games, haven't they, basically? There's loads of things to do. And in true Azeri style, there's loads of things for kids to do as well, and teenagers. Should we go down here?
Isaac was very useful on this tour because he had spent the previous day exploring the hotel whilst I went out to visit more of Sheki.
Right, wait a sec. It's going to take me a while to get there because it's massive, so back in a sec. There's escalators in this place because it's so massive. So obviously they've got a big spa complex, and they probably do every single treatment you could possibly want. I don't know, everything. Beautify yourself. So this is like the pool complex. Salam, hello. Just having a little look. And then the spa is here. So I'm not going in, it's okay. The spa is here. And then basically the pools, the indoor pool is down the end. And I'll cut to footage of that now.
And voila, the indoor pool.
Right, upstairs, there is a gym for those that want to stay in excellent shape, which is possibly not me right now. Here we go. What do you think, Isaac? You like the look of this, don't you? Right, out of here. Dun, 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 dun. There is Isaac waiting. When you stay here, you can either stay in the hotel itself, which is what I'm doing. The rooms are massive, and certainly where I am, very quiet. I've not heard anybody else.
If you didn't see my last video, here's a quick look. Upon checking in 2 days previously, I discovered a huge bathroom, a lovely large bedroom, and some gorgeous countryside views.
But you can also stay in, well, they call them cottages, but to me, they look like mansions. There's some up on the hill here. We'll walk past a few in a minute so you can actually see. And just now, I went from the hotel underground tunnels and escalators and all sorts, and I popped out here. Oh, the spa. But you don't just have an indoor pool. In fact, you don't just have one pool. How many pools are there?
3.
3 pools?
Yeah.
What's the difference between the 2 outside pools? Did you work it out?
Yeah.
Is one kids, one non-kids?
Yeah, but everyone just mixes.
Everyone just mixes. Azerbaijan is pretty family friendly. Are you trying to tell me something?
Trying to say,
Yes.
let's go.
Oh, let's go this way. Right, sorry. Can you see how big these cottages are? Cottages. These are the cottages. Look at that. Look at that. Gosh. I don't know whether these cottages are self-catering. They must be. They must be, I guess. Unless people bring their own personal chefs. Mind you, I think some of the people that stay here, they probably do. Now, we're coming up to the bowling centre. You went to the bowling centre yesterday. What was it like?
Good, actually.
And what else is in there?
There's like ping pong,
Yeah?
and I think it's like some sort of laser tag.
Laser tag thing. Wait, didn't you play basketball yesterday?
Yeah, that was it over there.
Oh, of course, somewhere else. And this is the bowling/entertainment space. Let's see what it's like in here. Oh, nice and cool. Oh, no, this is early in the morning, so there's no one here. Look. Salam.
Oh.
Hey, see, you've got all this here. Look, pool tables, snooker, ping pong. If you fancy bowling, remember you have to pay extra for this, yeah? And here, you've got the bowling. Pretty big. Nice place to spend the evenings if you fancy it there. Oh, and they've got a PlayStation room, by the way, in the hotel. I've seen that. I banned my kids from going there. And you've got more things here and more kind of like trampoline-y things. So there's loads for kids.
And there's some sort of laser tag.
Oh, and it looks like downstairs, look, downstairs there's laser tag as well. So you can go and do laser stuff down there. So I would dare anyone to say that they would be bored here, because I can't imagine how anyone could be bored from age 0 to age 100 and beyond if you're lucky enough. So then down this side, we've got the pools. So what was basketball, indoors or outdoors?
Outdoors.
Outdoors. What, a basketball court?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, kind of.
Okay, you show me that as well then. The pools are included in the price, but you have to pay extra for the other things. There's stuff for like older and younger kids. So you've got like an inflatable here that will obviously blow up in the day, and like trampolines and like basketball stuff over there. And then you can see for the little ones, there's like that sort of play area over here. One sign that this place is pretty big is that they seem to have like a bus stop. Look, you see? Like that, you see that? So there's the spa centre kids playground, yeah, and also a lake with like pedlos on and things like that. So you could just go to the lake and relax. Oh, and they've got an amphitheatre. This is the amphitheatre. They've got like leaflets with the performances. Salam.
Hello.
Hi. Just having a look. Look, see? All the seats here, look, there's the stage. So, I mean, I don't know what sort of performances they have, but one would imagine they are stupendously good. And the best part is that it's outdoors. We've got this tent cover, but you've got the breeze coming in. Oh-ho! Perfect, I would say. Right, so this is the upper pool here. Look at this one. Oh, it looks so inviting. I just want to go in. Yeah, that's the one that you were swimming in, right?
Yeah, I found it.
Oh, this one. There's the pool there. One of the pools. One of the outdoor pools. One of the 3 pools in the complex. Not bad, huh? Just in case that's not what you want, there's another one. I've done my steps already, Isaac.
Yeah.
Done my steps today. Oh,
This is why my legs hurt.
yeah. Lots of walking. Here we go. Here's the other one. Little one. Little pool. Little baby pool.
Do not add that in.
I'm so going to add that in. So it's a pretty impressive hotel. with a pretty impressive view. I mean, those flip-flops are quite noisy. Are you working on that noise and the technique?
It was now time for breakfast. Now bear in mind that Isaac and I were up very early, and this place does get extremely busy at peak times. It's the one thing I didn't like about the hotel, so my advice is to get up early. I didn't think it was fair to catch other guests on camera, so I filmed some close-up shots for you. As you can see, there is a huge range of food for every individual taste out there.
What else have we got? Sausage fajitas, what are they? Oh my goodness. And potato gratin. And what else? Pork with cheese. And what else? Goes on and on. Some kind of boiled sausage. And the national dish of tomatoes and eggs.
I went for an omelette and fruit, Isaac chose waffles with chocolate sauce and extra cream, and we sat outside and enjoyed the views.
So if you're coming to Sheki, you can stay here. I consider this a treat hotel. It's very easy, and it's higher up as well than the main Sheki city. It's about 300 meters higher, and so it's cooler, and the views are incredible, absolutely incredible. So yeah, I thoroughly recommend it.